Okay, welcome to Saving Your Sanctuary. It's Saturday, July 6th, and it's pretty wet. As you can tell by all the puddles up here. It got pretty saturated to get that far, but what I'm looking at is it looks like a big hole down there. So I'm going to remove these boards right here. All of these boards. These three, and see what's under there. My wife suspects it's like a sinkhole of some type, mini sinkhole. So if it is, we'll figure it out. All right. Oh, it's full of water. Don't have to do too much, huh? Our debate was whether it was dogs or it was a sinkhole. Because a sinkhole, there's a good chance it would have drained. It's pretty deep. See if I can find a stick or something. Okay. All right, let's see how deep this is. Oh, it's not that. It's only a foot. Well, I think I solved the sinkhole. I think it's called dug hole, because they can jump over and dig in there, and they've come out of here before. So I think that's all we got. This is why I did instead of butyl tape. Paint the tops. Cost less, probably lasts about the same amount of time. And it's good that these things slid out, because now I don't have to worry about, I can just bolt that in and ignore this guy. But it looks like I'll be pouring some sand in there. All right. I believe the first theory was right. The dogs dug it because if you look under here, they come in here, which is where you're at right now. And yeah, and the only reason it looks like that is because there's a concrete pad right here covered up. So they've actually dug underneath a little bit into the concrete. So, and they haven't gone much further because I had a concrete stake there from the previous deck. I don't know why that's there, but I know I can't take it out. It's like 3 foot footing. I always do 2 to 3 feet. All right, I'm going to start by throwing some sand in it. Then I'm going to throw 60 pounds of regular concrete in it, and then I'll, whatever is left, I'll put sand, and then if some more, I'll probably put concrete as my last. And I'm probably just going to put it in this way. All these have openings on one end. Get a good picture?
Well, not really, because
I don't know.
It's reflecting
The water.
The boards. So it just looks like it's another layer of
You know, let the children's play sand go for it. I don't feel like working on it. You got a lot of mosquitoes. Mosquito spray's right there. By the tractor there. Punkin Pie, what are you doing, baby girl? We got supervision by the person who probably did it. You see that pump? Man, you gotta stop digging in weird places. You had me and your mom worried about a sinkhole growing up. The foot selfie is done by Punkin Pie. By the way, 50 pounds of sand and it's already full.
Yeah.
So, I don't know about the concrete. Where's the stick? I keep stepping on the nail heads or the screw heads. Okay, I am going to put some concrete on it, but it won't be a full bag or anything. Just to keep you from doing any more of this, baby girl.
So where did they go in from? Over here?
No, they went in from here.
They go in from over there. And
Yeah, it's
dig
wide
there.
open.
Oh.
It's wide open. They just jump over and dig, and they got a whole... I've seen Hody come out of here, and I've seen Punkin Pie come out of here. That's why I was saying it. I think it's the dogs. But it's good to test that check anyhow, because
Odd.
you had me worried.
The way it was.
Watch your feet.
Down in.
There's all those screw heads are up. What I'm talking about is all the screw heads I loosened are actually high enough to go through sandals, of which both of us are keen on wearing. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is put enough in here to put a cap, pretty much a little concrete cap on everything. Pretty cool, huh, Pump? I had these either outside or it's too humid at Home Depot or Depot. Okay. So let me start working around. You want to get your concrete all wet. I wish all my fixes were like this. Yeah, we'll probably use a 60-pound bag on this one. And it's not structural, it's just filling a hole, guys. On for this. What I'm worried more about is putting the stuff in the right spot. All right, this is no gloves concrete mixing. I don't have a trowel with me, and this is kind of the only real way to get in there. I don't feel like getting my trowel.
Is this, 60 pounds?
Yeah, is it still got stuff in it?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I think we're good. I think it's done. Can you show them what we got?
So Dave poured in a 50-pound bag of play sand. We had an extra bag sitting there waiting, but haven't used it. Didn't seem like we needed to use it. And then followed that by most of a bag of Quikrete. And it actually seems to have filled the hole. Which is really kind of a nice thing to see. That cavernous, weird hole that kept getting deeper and deeper. Dave's pretty sure it was the dogs digging out. I don't know. It was a narrow and deep hole. Kind of weird if it was the dogs, but I guess if Hody was digging out the hole and then Punkin was hanging on to his back feet so he didn't fall in it or something like that, they might have been able to do it. Right now it looks like we've got it fixed.
Yeah. Guys, yeah, that's it. All the other stuff, the low spots and all, that's just raking out the shells. But you know something, we rake out the shells here, our dogs dig them. So the only thing we were really worried about was this being something that would swallow up our house eventually. It isn't. A dog's hole of refuge. All right, I'm gonna put back everything. That way we won't trip over errant nails and stuff. If you could help me if I need it, that would be great. So far, so good. I'm just pushing this up. If I need help, I'm gonna ask. Can you push it? Help? Hang on. Okay, give it a little more. Okay, stop. is hanging on this one. Do it again. Nope, stop. Okay, now. There we go. Coolness. Only thing left is to screw these things down and say adios, amigos.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under.
Which, by the way, I've been checking the garage to make sure my drainage hasn't clogged up at, you know, since hurricane and all that. And the garage doesn't get water, but in one spot in the front where the gate comes down, it gets a little bit in there, but that's because the rocks are.
Oh, it's all water under here.
Yeah, it's right now we're on a lake right here. That was a bigger hole though. All right, this is Dave from Saving Our Sanctuary, and B over there, and we're out.